Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today is the weekend, it's Saturday, so I've decided to prepare for next week early and break it down into two because I'm just getting back into the college routine again, so it's kind of overwhelming. So I think if I break it down into 2 days, it's Saturday and Sunday, I think it'll be much easier for me. So for today I think I'm just going to pack my bags. So I have 3 bags to pack. I need to pack for college, I need to pack for gym, and I need to pack for swimming as well. Tomorrow I'm going to do the food preparation for my lunch box and for my family as well, which is much easier for me because I decided that if I do everything tomorrow, I'll end up still forgetting something and I'll be tired. I also want to do like my mental health because I feel really overwhelmed today. I have a little bit of headache and stuff. I think there's just a lot going on. So I just want to give myself a break, me time, go for a walk and everything. So stay tuned and you'll see more in this video. So yeah, let's get started with my bags. Alright, so first thing first, I'm going to do my college bag and see what's in here. So this is just my bag.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know
this that I need to look into today as well, making sure that I'm also on top. And this is just like my journal, so that's how it looks. I got it in the bookshop, so it's just really nice. Like it's just like it's just like a diary that I have to write things and just mindfulness, and there's a lot that my goals and stuff. It's really nice. And I also have this journal Bible. It's really nice. I do my Bible reading as much as I can, so with my son, my family, and yeah, this thing as well. I'll have to look into it, and I need to fill in this one as well because I need to measure myself and check into the exercise that I'll be doing for the rest of the week. And I need to look into the food that I wrote at the back here, the food that I'll be consuming. So that is my organization. Now left right now is just for my mental health. So I'll just go for a walk with my son, just to freshen up, and then maybe watch a movie, relax, and then maybe read a little bit because I need to study a few things before I go to college, So yeah, let's go for a walk.
Wait, no, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Chasing waterfalls. Oh, 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 you've got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast.
It for this video, guys. So today I was just preparing for the lunchbox and the food for my family, because this week I'm going to be very busy. I'll be working as well, so I have to make sure that I have prepared enough food for myself and my family. So it was quite a busy day, so it was really hectic, but I get over it. But I think this kind of lifestyle helps me to, keep up with my life, just to make sure that I'm on time, organized and everything. We'll have to sort the clothes for tomorrow as well, sort everything, put them there aside. Now I have to say goodbye, and thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate. And if you're not part of the family, make sure that you subscribe, and if you have any question or any video suggestion, just you can comment in the section below, and I'll answer as much as I can. And thank you so much, and have a lovely night. Bye, take care.